Okay, everyone. So I think we are live. So we are going to start a demo for a job portal that we are trying to build. Okay, so we'll try to start a demo of a job portal today, guys. Basically, we are going to launch our job portal, which we have created recently, and obviously, we are going to talk about job portal a lot. I'm going to show you a demo, and with me, so my team is going to join, and obviously, uh, we are going to discuss. We are going to talk about a lot, and if you have any kind of a question or anything, so you can feel free to ask your question. That's completely fine. So let me add Sujan first of all. So I believe Sujan, I'm audible to you.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, sir. Hi, everyone.
Background is awesome. Thank you, Sari.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi, Man Urjag Kanhaiya. Okay, Kanhaiya. I'll call you as a Kanhaiya. Okay, let me add Lukesh and Lawson. कहाँ हो भाई आ जाओ जल्दी.
Yeah,
अच्छा
hello.
बैकग्राउंड चेंज कर. ठीक है. So I think guys, yeah. So we are live. So in some time, so maybe in like a couple of minutes, so we are going to start talking about job portal. So job portal is an amazing product that we have built for all of you. Basically, the whole idea behind this job portal is to create a platform so where you all will be able to find out every kind of a job. Doesn't matter in which domain you are working, what is your profile, but yeah, at the end of the day, you all will be able to find out every kind of a job in a single place. So basically, we are trying to build a mega repository so where you will be able to see a fresh job on a daily basis, on a regular basis in one single unified platform. Because there are so many platforms out there like a LinkedIn, Indeed, Monster, Naukri, Sign, Times Job, and along with that, so again on a lot of companies' portal, you will be able to find out a job, and it's very difficult. It's very tedious to track each and every job on each and every platform. Now, keeping that in our minds, we have built a unified platform inside Euron, so where you will be able to see a fresh job based on your profile, based on the resume that you are going to upload inside our system automatically. So it is going to personalize the entire job feed for all of you. Along with that, so obviously, it is going to even give you a search option so where you can go and you can try to search for a job maybe in a different city in different so yeah, who is going to, by the way, and yes, if you have any questions, so feel free to ask. Feel free to bring me inside, guys, and for sure we are going to take questions and we are going to answer. Yeah. So Lokesh, are you going to present?
Yeah. So you hi everyone. Let me
Lokesh,
share.
I think you are not audible to us.
Uh,
Please
is
check
it
your mic option.
is it audible now? Hello.
Yeah,
Hello. Am I audible?
Okay, so
Yeah.
fine.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
You're
Lokesh.
audible to me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Lokesh, go ahead. Yeah, you're audible.
So let me present the screen. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you're audible. So everyone is saying you are audible. Maybe I was on my system output was on mute.
No problem, sir. No problem. So hope my screen is visible.
Yes, yeah, Lokesh.
Okay. Okay.
भाई नंबर दिखा रहे हो अपना कॉल करने लगेंगे लोग तुमको.
No problem, sir. Okay. So this is the job portal which sir is talking about from past few days that we are launching
Lucas,
something.
Lucas, maybe we can do one thing. So maybe we can go through a resume portal first. So we have a resume AI, right? So guys,
Uh,
basically, I'll tell you one thing. So how this job portal is going to work. So basically, we have a resume AI system. Lucas, if you can show that portal to all of us. So yeah,
yeah.
we have a resume AI system, a beautiful system, an amazing system. So where you can try to build your resume from a very scratch, or what you can do is you can try to maybe make your existing resume ATS friendly. So Lokesh, if you can click on any of the resume that you have already uploaded, And yeah, so even based on the company, you will be able to build your resume. So what this system does is, so this system is going to basically create your resume in such a way that it is going to be a ATS friendly, so application tracking system friendly. And yeah, it is going to give you a career roadmap, it is going to talk about a project, it is going to give you even a kind of a question which will be asked to you in your interview. So a lot of things it is going to give you. And then eventually it is going to give you a resume. So if you can click on template locase, so yeah, it is going to give you a resume, and it is going to give you a cover letter which is going to be a ATS friendly. Plus you all will be able to track that what was the ATS score of my previous resume, and then what is the improvement that this particular system is going to make. Again, so we are going to publish a complete separate video about the resume AI. Here we are like, going to talk about a job. But yeah, so both of the system is interconnected. So whatever resume that you are going to upload over here inside a resume AI, so our job system is going to understand your resume, and on a daily basis it is going to bring a fresh job for all of you from a different platform, not just from one single platform, but from a different kind of a platform. So yeah, Lucas, I think now over to you, and you can go ahead and start talking about job portal. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a job, this kind of dashboard you will see in the job portal. Here you will see the recommendations. So it is based on dates. So suppose this today is April 12th. So for today I got this kind of these jobs which are recommended by the system based on the resume I have uploaded in the resume AI. So it is just personalized based on your resume. So you can go through the as many jobs as you like see in this system. And if you want to see any of the jobs like detail, whether suppose this is a Capgemini job for data scientist, so if you want to see the details of it, you can click on view detail. And here you can see the whole like job description, what is job is all about. And here we are also providing the apply link. So no need to go anywhere in any other platform, in any other websites. Just come here, put your resume, and based on your resume you will see a job, and you can click directly here in the apply now, and it will redirect you to the direct career portal of that job. So
Yeah. So sorry to interrupt. Okay. So like I was talking about, guys. So basically, the whole idea behind the job portal is, so jobs are there, but again, this is all these jobs are basically scattered all across a different kind of a platform, and it's very difficult for any one of us who is willing to switch our job, or maybe we are willing to switch our domain, or maybe a career, or maybe we are looking for some other opportunity, maybe a full time, maybe a part time, maybe a contract, maybe an intensive kind of opportunity. So it's very difficult for any one of us. So keep track of all this, like hundreds and thousands of system which is out there, where jobs are available in bits and pieces. And this is where our job system comes into a picture. So where you can just go upload your resume, and it is going to give you a recommendation. Now, not just that, so basically it is even giving you an option to build a tailored resume specific to that particular job, so that whenever you are going to apply with the help of that particular resume, as you can see that inside every job you will be able to see a tailored resume option. So Lucas, can you please show me a first tailored resume that you have generated, or
yeah,
any tailored
yeah,
resume?
actually, yeah, okay, okay. So when you click on this button, you will see a kind of loading. So it will process in the backend, and it once it is tailored, you will see this kind of button like that is like it is generated. So once you click on view resume, so you will see the template like this is resume and this is cover letter. So this kind of resume is properly tailored based on the job which you have clicked to tailor the resume. So you can see like the template is properly tailored for that job only. So this is what we are providing in this job portal.
Yeah. So basically, why we are giving you this tailored resume? The reason is very simple. Every system is nowadays an automated system. So no human being is going to check your resume. And again, your resume must be very much aligned, maybe 80% matching, or maybe 90% matching along with the job which is in which you are going to apply. So if you would like to build a generic resume, obviously you can go ahead and you can try to use a resume AI. You will be able to build a generic resume. And let's suppose if you would like to build a tailored resume specific to that particular job, And so you have even that particular option inside this system. Now this is all about basically a job that system is recommending you based on the resume that you have uploaded. But what if, like, someone has asked me a question right over here. So Teddy is basically asking me a question that where I can change a place name. So Teddy, so you can try to change a place name inside your resume. That's completely fine because we are trying to match a similarity, and based on the similarity search, so we are trying to recommend. So wherever you have worked, in whatever company you have worked, in whatever location you have worked, if that information is available inside your resume, so obviously this is going to give you a recommendation based on that. But for example, right? For example, if you have not mentioned any kind of a location, or maybe you are looking for a job in some completely different domain. As of now, it is showing you a job for a data scientist. Now let's suppose if I would like to switch into a big data, let's suppose if I would like to switch into a UI UX developer, or maybe front and back end kind of a developer, right? Maybe into a ops if I would like to switch, maybe into a cloud if I would like to switch. So we are giving you even a search option. So now look,
Yeah,
so with the help of search option, you can try to search unlimited number of job. And believe me, so we are trying to build, and we have built the system in such a way that it is just going to show you a fresh job in last like 24 to 48 hours. So again, we are trying to drill down these things even more and more, and going forward you will be able to see that the same recommended system will be getting better and better and better. So again, we have given you an option to give a feedback. So based on a feedback, we will keep on changing it. We will keep on adding a lot of sources over here. But yeah, so if you are looking for some different job into a different location, into a different domain, Lokesh is going to give you a demo about that. Yeah, Lokesh,
yeah.
please go ahead.
So as you can see, I have already uploaded the data scientist resume. So here I am getting the data scientist recommendation. But if I want to look into different domains, so here is a search icon. Once you click on that, and suppose let's go with the some other field. So let me search about the front end. So if I search about front end developer, yeah, front end. So once you search, you will see the complete jobs listing of front end developer. So here is the list of all the jobs which are from front end domain, and like just like that you can search for other domains as well. So if you search about big data, so let me search about big data. See, so after searching big data, here are the list of jobs which are from big data only. So based on the technology or any kind of thing you search here, here we are also providing this kind of feature. So it's just not the based on resume we are showing jobs. We are also providing like a feature to search based on the keyword you want to search. Like, yeah. And then if I want to add a filter, suppose one person was saying about location. So let me see this here you can see it is from Pune. If I want to add a filter like for big data, I only want to see the jobs from Bangalore. So once you click on the location filter, it will show you the jobs from Bangalore only. So here are other kinds of filter as well, like contract, full time, internship. So based on that you can get the jobs. So here are the experience level filters as well, sir, associate, entry level, and other filters as well. So this was all about, yeah.
Yeah. So Amar is asking one question: can we apply for a job from the same application, or it is redirect the company website? So basically, it is going to redirect you to a source system. So from whatever system we are trying to bring a job, as of now, you can consider this entire job portal as one of the mega repository, which will be like keep on refreshing itself on a regular basis every day. I would say, when I say regular basis, it simply means that on a daily basis, it will keep on refreshing a job, and based on that, it is going to give you a recommendation. And we are even working on a system so where you don't have to even go on a company portal or any other portal for majority of job. Again, I can't guarantee that like for 100% job it will be able to you will be able to apply just from here. But yeah, so in a future, maybe in a couple of months going forward, or maybe in a couple of quarter, because we are trying to crack that particular part as well, and we are facing a little bit of difficulties, and we are trying to solve that problem. But yeah, you will be able to apply for that particular job even from the same system, but not now. As of now, it is just a platform so which is going to consolidate all the jobs so that you don't have to go and search for like a thousands of platforms. So that is a like a task which is one of the mega tasks for all of us. So all the like a people who is trying to look for a job or opportunity, maybe a remote, maybe a freelancing job in some different location or in the same location where I'm working. So yeah, it is going to fulfill that purpose. So I believe I'm able to answer to your question number. Yeah. So yeah, Lokesh. So maybe we can try to search some sales job, maybe some HR job. We can try to search for maybe some like a graphic designer job. We can try to search. Let's see. So whether system is able to give us those
So
job or not. Sales job.
just one,
Okay.
yeah. So you can see once again. I've applied filter. So let me refresh. If I go to job and search, yeah. So here we can see we have searched about the sales. So based on the keyword I have searched, so I can see the result of sales jobs. So like you can see on the screen. So hope it is visible. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it's visible.
if I search about some kind of technology as well, suppose I am searching a React, so which is a kind of front end library. So if I search, so you will get the jobs of React.js. So React.js specialist like jobs are listed based on the tech you search here. So you can search about Python as well. You see,
Generative AI. If we can search.
yeah, sure, why not? Generative AI. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of jobs are available even for a Gen AI engineer. So can we search like some internships are available or not? Maybe we can try to apply some filter over here.
For generative AI, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, if I go to here, put internship, yeah, you can see these are the internships which are available for Gen AI. So lots of jobs are there.
Okay. Imtiaz is saying HR job still exists. Yes, it does exist. So can we search like in what and all companies we have a HR job available? But I believe it does exist in some of the company.
Yeah. So what query you want me to search now?
HR.
HR. Okay.
Lokesh, just try to like change the
Okay.
contract type, na?
I have applied some additional filters here. Okay. One second.
Do we have job for HR?
Wait.
I think yes, yes.
Yeah.
We have some job for HR as well. Okay, so yeah, like I said, so we will keep on increasing a number of jobs. We will keep on connecting as many systems as possible. This is what we have been doing since last like 3 to 4 months, and finally this system is live. And yeah, so we'll keep on making this like an entire system as better as possible. Now, someone is asking a question that I have Euron Plus. Can I access it? Yeah. So if you have a Euron Plus, so Lokesh, if you can go to a Euron Plus screen.
This plus page. Okay.
Yeah, so guys, basically what we have done, and when I have launched Euron, I had a very clear intention to build a system, to build a platform, which should behave like a OTT for an education, a true OTT for an education. It's not like selling just a couple of courses. That's completely fine. So in terms of a subscription, it should behave like an OTT. For example, Netflix is going to charge you, I believe, for a single user account, 199 rupees INR per month. So we are trying to keep it just 299 rupees per month. Let's suppose if you need our system maybe for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, you don't have to go and pay for the entire year because we value your money. And obviously, if you don't need a learning, if you don't need a resume AI, if you don't need Avni, if you don't need a Yuri system, if you don't need our courses, it's completely fine. You can go over there, you can try to cancel it. We are not charging anything separately for any of the services. 299 per month simply means that whatever is available on our platform, whether it's a courses, whether it's a project, whether it's a book. Again, if I'll talk about courses, whether it's a live courses, whether it's a self-paced courses, whether whether it's a hybrid courses, whether it's a nano learn that we are going to launch very soon. We are already like preparing for that particular launch. So reel based basically learning. So whatever is available, and maybe as a service, right? So whether we have a Yuri, so again alternative for a chat GPT perplexity or a cloud, you can say, with a multi-model access, real-time search and everything, or resume AI or job system, or Avni, which is a real-time conversational system. In a couple of days I'm going to give a demo even about those systems, basically. So everything and anything which is available as a service, as a product, each and everything you all will be able to access just with this particular price. I don't think that in a market anyone is offering any, even a courses, right? Like a, even a one single courses with this particular price. I think we all know what is going in a market. But yeah, that was a whole idea, that was a whole intention behind building Euron system, a true OTT platform for an education. So where you will be able to educate yourself, you will be able to get a service support from a Yuri kind of an advanced system. Soon we are going to release even an API for a Yuri. You will be able to build a resume, you will be able to prepare for the project, for your interview, you will be able to find out a job, you will be able to even prepare for your complete interview preparation with Avni, and many more products we will keep on launching it, and that too with just 299 per month. We are not going to charge anything extra or anything additional at all. Yep. So now let me take some questions. So can we expect a lead code like a problem solving platform in Euron Plus? We are thinking about it. So we are thinking about basically a intensive kind of a portal or experience portal, because I believe this is very much required in a current like a time, a current situation where fresher are not able to even secure an internship, or they are not able to secure a job, they are not able to get experience. We are even evaluating this lead code kind of a platform. But yeah, let's see, for sure in a future if we have a bandwidth, so we'll try to bring those kind of a system as well. But again, just as a OTT means you can go ahead, you can pay per month, and then your work is done, and you don't have to pay for the entire year. So pay as you go, as simple as that. So like, let's suppose if I need this system for 2 months, just use it for 2 months, and then you can cancel your subscription at any point of a time. Yes. Now someone is asking, Ronnie is asking basically how we can use Yuri as an API. As of now, so yeah, Lucas, can you please go to a Yuri screen? Yeah.
Yeah,
So as of now, we have not released an API for a Yuri, but very soon, whatever model that you are able to see over here, for majority of the model, so we have even added a Scout over here. And can you please click on the models? Yeah, so we have added like a Llama 4 Scout, we have added even a Maverick, we have added even a DeepSeek, we have even added a real-time search, so that you don't have to even go to a Google, you will be able to search each and everything here itself. And plus, a response is pretty much amazing. So please go ahead and try this out. It's lightning fast. So API wise, we have not released the API, just to answer your question, Ronnie. But yeah, so soon, I think by the end of this month, April itself, you will be able to see an API, so that you don't have to go and pay for an API while building an application, maybe a agentic AI application, maybe a RAG application, maybe you are trying to build some of your own MVPs or a project, anything, right? So everywhere we need an API of all of these LLMs. And those APIs will be available without any kind of additional cost. Again, just one single subscription, monthly basis, or maybe you can go ahead with a yearly subscription. We don't mind charging you on a yearly basis. That's completely fine, but that's completely up to you. Okay, so Imtiaz is saying Lanshu and team are cooking hard. We are trying to build something fruitful that our people can use, our student can use it. Sir, when new batch are coming, just wait for a couple of days. You will see a lot of announcement with respect to a new batches. Vichu is saying, Vichuj. Okay, Vichus. So it's a very good, sir. I'm a Gen AI engineer. After your interview session, I got a job as a AI engineer. Don't increase the price to a very high amount. Don't worry. I'm not going to increase the price at all, at least for now. Even if I'm going to increase, hardly it is going to be 100 rupees, 200 rupees, or max to max 500 rupees on a monthly basis, which I'm not planning. at least for 2025 I'm not planning it for it. Maybe in 2026 I may go ahead and increase the price, because we are burning a lot. Obviously, we are not a funded company, so it's a completely bootstrap, like a company where like I have done the investment. So obviously, a lot of investment is going on to provide you these kind of services with this particular price tag, to be very honest with all of you. But yeah, this year I don't have any plan to increase the price, so don't worry about it. And after your interview session, I got a job as an AI engineer. Amazing, congratulations, by the way. Souter to our devs, great website in terms of design and UX. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to our development team. So half of the team is here, half of the team is not here. Maybe I'll bring them in some different launch. So whenever they will try to launch their own portion of it. Okay, so one of the best option is missing in Euron. Looking for that option. Okay, what was the option, by the way? Okay, next question. RJ is asking, when will Yuri feature will be available Android app? Yeah. So I think we have a dev team to answer that question. So when that will be available, guys, in Android and iOS?
Yeah. Okay. Like
Sujan, if you would like to answer.
yeah, Yuri, we are working like on many features for Yuri, because within next few weeks, within a week, in web version also you can see many changes. So bringing all those to Android app is a little time taking, but still we are trying to launch within few weeks. Not even weeks, I can say 1 or 2 weeks
Yeah,
in
so I
Android
think
app.
you got your answer. Yeah, so within 1 or 2 weeks, so I believe it will be available in an Android app. And what about iOS? People are like every time. So whenever I go and talk to someone, they say, "Where is your iOS app?" So yeah, guys, any
So
answer for that?
we are working on iOS as well. So very soon you will be able to see that. So
And that's
there
what's going to be.
actually there are a lot of things to like for the iOS. So there are a lot of review process which goes from the Apple side. So we are in the process to that, and it will be very soon on the App Store.
Okay, that's a bit relaxing comment for me, at least.
Yeah.
I don't know about others, but yeah, it's a bit relaxing for me. Okay, so sir, please tell what new batches are coming. Just wait. Almost in every tech, you will be able to see the batches. Almost in every tech. All the major tech, I would say, like cloud, like ops, obviously, generative AI, agentic AI, RAG, data science, web development, DSA, system design, with everything. So we are planning, we are working on it. Open Discord, verify the early user, give us OG role, we can get a discount in future. I think it will be difficult for us. Maybe we are not aware about this Discord a lot. So yeah, if you can come and if you can help us out with respect to Discord, I think that will be a great help for us. So maybe you can participate. But yeah, so we are not very much aware about the Discord like a platform. Lifetime access for Unite. Lifetime access. I don't think that lifetime access is required, because things will keep on changing. Things have changed a lot. Even the entire like a market, the entire industry has changed a lot in last 2 years, and again, it is going to change a lot even in future. So I don't think that lifetime access will be worth it. Unnecessarily, you have to pay a huge amount. My experience with a lifetime is not that great. I believe most of you know what I'm talking about. So just a joke apart, but yeah, my experience with lifetime access is not that great. So I'm not like willing to bring a lifetime access, by the way. Okay, so how your team able to deliver this much of work various spot? I think it's a sort of span. Are you following any agile methodology, or okay, dev team? Question for you.
No, we don't follow any such things. We are just small team. Like we deliver, we build, and we push it to production.
Yeah, so we don't follow like we are a startup, right? So
Yeah.
obviously we can't follow those agile or all those industry graded methodology for a delivery. We have our own approach, build fast, deliver fast kind of approach. Break fast, obviously, right? Things breaks in between a lot, and we used to sit day and night. This is what we have been doing since last 10 months, I believe, and since last 5 months, we are able to launch Euron, and yeah, so we don't follow such kind of approach. I don't think that nowadays even a big companies are following it. So even they are trying to follow the startup approach, so where they will be able to build fast and deliver fast. And I believe this is the new reality of this entire tech world. Super excited. Okay, so Amar is asking lifetime access. I think I have already given an answer. It's a humble request. Do not sell this platform like you did. I Neuron. No, I'm not willing to sell this platform at all. Maybe we'll do something bigger. The reason, like again, people ask me a question that Iron was doing great. It was an amazing edtech platform that we have built with the affordability, and now maybe like things went south after I sold that company. Yeah, I think in your life you will be able to find out like every time that there is some purpose which you should attach with all the action that you are going to take. So I think there was a purpose attached with it, and just to fulfill that purpose, so we have called that action. But again, so this one I don't think that I'm going to sell to anyone, right? It's a lifelong platform which I'm trying to build for myself, so that even my kids will be able to come over here and they will be able to enjoy the same. So yeah. Resume AI is an awesome feature. It would be great to add something like this. Resume AI, I have already added, so please go and experience it. You will be able to generate your resume and cover letter and interview questions and a project recommendation immediately. So this that platform is already live. We have not made an announcement, but yeah, so that platform is already live. So fine, guys. I think like you all have liked this entire feature that we have released for a job. So maybe you can try to spread news. You can try to spread an awareness about this entire platform that we are building, or the platform that we have already built. And hope all of you are going to take an advantage of this platform. Hope this platform is going to help you out. And from our side, we are committed to build more and more. So obviously you will keep on getting a lot of new feature, not just a courses, but yeah, we'll make sure that this platform will exist just as an OTT. So one student, only one subscription, that's it. Cancel anytime, that's completely fine. You don't have to come and then waste your money and time if you don't find worth it over here. Yeah. सर यूरोन को आईपीओ पॉलिश कीजिएगा. आई थिंक इट्स टू अर्ली टू से दिस, बट ठीक है, देख लेंगे. इरादा वही है, बट आई थिंक अभी काफ़ी लंबा चलना है. अभी तो अच्छे से शुरुआत भी नहीं हुआ है. सो पहले अच्छे से हम लोग खड़े हो जाएं, देन फिर दौड़ेंगे. यूरोन इज अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव. थैंक यू सो मच Sardeep. Will BevDev course come with AI? Yes, I'm planning to bring a BevDev course with AI, because without AI, I don't think that I should launch any courses, right? So even a web development, even our, so yeah, guys, how much AI you are using, to build such kind of a system. So you all have built this entire system, right? So whether it's a LMS portal, or like a NanoLearn that we are talking about, or our DRM system that we are using as of now, or our live system that we are using inside a class, a live response system inside a live classes that we have built, then Yuri, then Resume AI, and then Avni. So how much AI you are using, and which tool, by the way, you are using on a daily basis? I know the answer. I'm just asking this question on behalf of a audience, because I'm paying a subscription for that, right? So I know the answer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, so we heavily utilize open source models like LLM models that are provided via Grok. So if you know Grok, Grok provides a very fast responses like
No, tool wise I'm talking about. Which AI you are using tool wise?
tool like Llama. We use Llama, and
To do
you
a daily
mean
coding.
Daily
oh
coding.
Yeah,
coding?
to
Okay.
build a project. Yeah.
Like mostly VS Code, or right now we have started using Cursor because it helps a lot, like providing us assistant with coding. So, but we are mostly reliant on VS Code, but Cursor is a great option to go ahead with. Yeah.
Yeah, so everyone is vibe coding these days. What a time to live in. Yeah, so that's a new reality nowadays. Hamid is asking what is the most advanced thing we should learn as a AI ML engineer. See, there is nothing called as a basic. There is nothing called as advanced. Once your fundamentals are clear, right? Whether it's a machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP, agentic AI, generative AI, RAG, whatever it is, right? So when your fundamentals are clear, I'll always suggest, and I kept on suggesting people since last like a 10 year of my or 11 year of my career, that always try to build something. Unless and until you are not going to build something, there is no end to a learning, right? You will never feel like confident if you are not building something. So go and build something, even a small project, even a small product, and bring that particular product live inside a production, so that other people will be able to use it. They will be able to give you a feedback, because the same project, same product, when that exists inside your laptop, you will not be able to like get into a reality that how this project is going to behave, what kind of edge cases I'm supposed to like handle before like making it available to millions of people or even thousands of people. So always try to build even a small product and then bring it to a production, so that other people will be able to use it. Then you will get to know about the edge cases, and that will be your real learning. Believe me, even if you are going to build one small product in your domain, even if you are coming from a ops background, cloud background, a front end, back end, blockchain, whatever it is, or maybe AI, ML, big data, data analytics, whatever it is, right? Try to build something and then get a feedback from a public, from your network. Ask them to use it, ask them to give a feedback immediately, and that is always a best way to explore, to learn for a very very long time. So I think, Hamid, we all should follow that approach, and personally I follow a similar kind of approach even till today, and that's the reason. So we are like a back to back, we are able to build these kind of a system with a very limited number of a team member in a very very limited time span. We are using GitHub Copilot and Database Assistant for our current project. That's amazing, Saradeep. That's amazing. So I believe we all are using some sort of a AI in all the product that we are building nowadays. And those who are not using it, I think you should give a thought about it. Hamid is saying, because of Euron, I have learned and built so many real projects thanks to this platform. Thank you so much, Hamid. Thank you so much. Manas is saying something. Can we have a course on creating a project data analysis using Yuri or tool like Cursor etc end to end? This will help. Yeah, we are bringing those courses as well. So we are trying to bring something to a reality. So we are trying to publish some of the courses. So where we are going to show you that how with the help of AI, not like from the scratch, how with the help of AI we are able to build end-to-end project, and then we are able to put those projects into a production. So even we are planning for like a such kind of a project. Yeah. So fine, guys, I think it's a time, and thank you so much everyone for showing up over here, asking question, interacting with all of us, and hope all of you are liking this entire Euron platform, and even in future, so you all are going to love it. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much Roshan, Lokesh and Sujan for building this entire things, and all the other team members as well. They are not available over here. Purposely we have not invited them. We will invite them for some different product launch. We have back to back a lot of launches. So in next slot, so maybe those team members will come over here and they are going to give a demo about next project. With that, thank you so much everyone. Take care. God bless.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Bye everyone.
Yeah. Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.